Firstly, Hamdi sent Form B for income tax for YA 2033 on 12th June 2034. However, on 31st August 2034, from GA, during a test audit, it was discovered that Hamdi had failed to report rental income of RM 24,000, resulting in additional assessment. Hamdi intends to file an appeal. Besides this, Hamdi intends to vacation abroad before paying his outstanding amount of additional tax.
A. Explain in brief two MTD-related offences committed by Hamdi as an employer. From this situation, there are two MTD-related offences committed by Hamdi as an employer. First, Hamdi failed to remit the deducted monthly tax deduction to the Inland Revenue Board of Malaysia on time. Second, Hamdi failed to remit full deducted MTD to Inland Revenue Board of Malaysia. Based on first offences, Hamdi did not pay the monthly tax deduction to the IRBM on time. In Section 836 of the Income Tax Act 1967, employers are required to deduct MTD from employees' remuneration based on either the MTD schedule or the computerized calculation method.
The deducted amount must be remitted to IRBM on or before the 15th day of the following month. In this case, Hamdi was late in remitting the payment, which can result in penalties and additional charges. Based on second offence, MTD must from their employees' monthly remuneration according to the MTD schedule or computerized calculation. This section also, employer must pay the deducted amount to the Inland Revenue Board of Malaysia. In this case, Hamdi only pay RM 1,000 for the MTD under Zahidi, but Hamdi must pay RM 84 and 45 cent monthly equal to RM 1,018 and 20 cent. Hamdi underpay for RM 80 and 20 cent under Zahidi. For Azri, Hamdi only pay RM 2,000 for the MTD under Azri. Then, Hamdi must pay RM 168 and 65 cent monthly equal to RM 2,038 and 80 cent. Hamdi underpay for RM 18 and 20 cent under Azri. In conclusion, Hamdi did not fully deduct the MTD to IRBM.
B. Discuss briefly how Hamdi can file an appeal for undeclared rental income for year assessment 2023. Under Section 99 Subsection 1, Income Tax Act 1967, when taxpayer dissatisfied with the deemed notice of assessment or additional assessment, he or she should write to tax authorities to make an appeal. So Hamdi as a taxpayer may exercise the right to appeal in relation to the additional assessment within 30 days after the serving notice. Hamdi must submit 4 copies of Form Q stating ground of appeal, issues to be trial, date and amount of tax payable as stated in Form JA, relevant documentation of evidence related to issues to be trial, signed by directors of company or taxpayer. After submission, the Director General of Inland Revenue may review the case before forwarding it to the Special Commissioners of Income Tax. The DG may request for books, documents, or summon relevant individuals. If a mutual agreement is reached, the appeal may be settled. If not, the DG will refer the case to the Special Commissioner for hearing and a deciding order will be issued. If Hamdi is dissatisfied with the decision, he may further appeal to the High Court and Court of Appeal.
C. Discuss briefly any possibilities regarding Hamdi's plan to travel abroad before paying his additional tax. Leaving Malaysia without payment of tax. Any person knowing that a certificate has been issued under Section 104, recovery of the tax from person leaving Malaysia, voluntarily leaves or attempts to leave Malaysia without paying all the tax will be guilty of an offence. Upon conviction, the taxpayer will be liable. Fines start from 200 and not more than 20,000, or imprisonment 6 months, or can be both.
Under Section 104 Subsection 1 of the Income Tax Act 1967 state that the Director General of Inland Revenue has the right to stop Hamdi from leaving Malaysia if there is reasonable belief that he intends to leave without paying all tax payable even if not yet due, any other sum under the Act, any debt from withholding tax. The DG can issue a notice to immigration authorities to stop him from travelling. So Hamdi must pay or arrange payment with LHDN before going abroad.